OtterUltra G1, the new Gen heat press. Step into the smart era. Engineered with an intuitive smart system, this scalable, high-performance heat press is designed for versatility, perfect for industrial production, small business, or on-demand garment printing. Your efficient partner for streamlined production. It automatically tracks your daily output, even for batch tasks, so you can easily measure productivity. You can easily customize the settings for your most used projects, making this heat press truly your own. The OtterUltra G1 features a heavy-duty heating platen and reinforced base, ensuring superior heat retention and even distribution, keeping temperature variance under just 5 degrees Celsius across your entire substrate. Plus, it includes a load cell for precise pressure control. With a 7-level pressure scale, you can say goodbye to guesswork. Adjust with confidence using clear, concrete values. This heat press is compact yet versatile for a limited space. It features a 360 degrees rotary stand for easy movement and positioning. The slide-out drawer and threadable design make it simple to align shirts on the lower platen for smooth heat transfers. For safety, the emergency stop button instantly halts printing to prevent accidents. The built-in self-diagnosis system helps quickly identify issues, saving time on troubleshooting. USB port for easy data transfer and software updates. Plus, the convenient Type-C port lets you power small devices, like a diamond painting pen to decorate your garment. The control panel features a large, high-resolution touchscreen with smooth, responsive operation. Easily adjust time and temperature settings. With a maximum timer of 999 seconds, perfect for handling a wide range of materials. Our heat presses are CE and ETL certified. The heating platen comes with a 10-year warranty, while the circuit board is covered for 3 years and the frame for 2 years. Additionally, we offer lifetime after-sales support for all our machines.